Our baby is in for her first wash. Make sure she is nice and right. Our first wash, so we gotta do straight hand washes now.
Period.
Alright, she's going through. Now, I'm gonna leave y'all with wifey. Hopefully she do the right thing. Baby, it's on you. You got this? Yeah?
Of course.
Alright, I believe you. There we go. She like a brand new baby again. It's so nice and basketball leather. Oh my God. Touch that. Oh, feel that. That's so soft. You feel that? Y'all feel that? Oh man. Smell it. Smell nice. Shout out to my boy. Hey. Watch your knees, brother. Shout out to my boy though. Got us right. Got us right. They got the Benzo over there again. Give y'all boys a full walk around. I told y'all boys, once we clean it up nice, this shit can show you boys how to be looking so good. Let me show you tree right now. Alright, so that's pretty much gonna end it right now. Car wash vibe real quick. Just do hand wash only so that way they keep it nice and pristine here. You see that bitch basically shining, you know? So yeah, I'll get back to y'all boys. Once we gonna tint this out too. So probably in my next video, if this video don't be any longer, then check out that next video. We'll have this joint tinted out. And I'll give y'all boys a heads up POV coming soon, alright? So catch y'all boys there. What's good, gang? It's your boy Tallman back on the scene, but guess what? We doing different things. All right, so right now we getting the tints put on our baby girl. Right now, our new car is called Storm. If y'all didn't already know, so as of right now, it is a fishbowl right now. So we're gonna put the tints on and show y'all how it's looking. All right, give it y'all soon. All right, so baby girl all cleaned up, nice. Fishbowl right now. You see, it's presidential with the fishbowl, but once we blacken this out, it's gonna be a different story, man. It's already different right there. So obviously they working on it. We gonna let them do their good work right here, and then we gonna show y'all boys the finishing touches of how it's looking, man. What color would you pick? Sheesh. Too many options. Too many options. More options. Bruh. The green tint or the red tint is crazy. This is how y'all boys be doing. Y'all be doing the riced out builds right here. We not finna rice out the build. These are the wraps right here. If we want to wrap it, you know, we could go crazy, but we just want to black it out. You know, some darked out tints right here. Once we dark that out, we gonna be looking good, boys. All right, now these are some different colors, man. Comment below if you think it should add a different color to the car. Right now, black is gonna look good. I think black on black will look good, but you know, maybe a galaxy black or something like that would be fire. You feel me? Or purple. But damn, you know, carbon fiber. Maybe we should add like carbon fiber inside the panels, but it's actually really nice inside there. So while they working on the car, I'm just showing y'all some of the things that's inside the shop. They got the LED strips, which thankfully, boys, we got the LEDs in there. Yes, sir, we got the LEDs already. But you could get you some LED lights put up in your car. If you one of those guys who got the big speakers, you could pop those big ass speakers up in your shit, and you should be good to go. AMG coming soon, man. We gonna get that AMG too. Add that to the playlist. We in Next Level Auto Shop right now. Check them out if y'all need any type of work on your cars as far as like cosmetics and tinting and shit like that. This spot is pretty nice, you know. It's very nice in here. The cars back there. It's a few cars back there, so this is the waiting area right here. So we just chilling. They got like stereo systems and shit, auto star, you know, the normal shit. Maybe I should put this big ass grill in the front of this shit so when I'm cutting up, motherfuckers know what's up. Or maybe the bells, the Christmas bells, right? Put the motherfucking Christmas bells, they gonna be like, damn, nigga, ashy, but you feel me? Like, if y'all boys like this video and shit, maybe I could get me some lotion and shit, you feel me, from my hands and shit, you feel me? Like, now I don't need the lotion for what y'all boys think, you feel me? Because y'all know y'all niggas be zesty. Then they do got the systems, the crazy system. Like I said, if you boys is like that, you get to the big speakers and shit. Oh, they got a Pepsi. Anybody want some Pepsi? I ain't touching that. But if you thirsty, there's a Pepsi for you. But yeah, all the work is there. So as y'all seen it before, I'm gonna let y'all boys see the after. It's a mess right now. It's a mess. It's a work in progress right now. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready for the finished product? I think it look good. I think it look good. Y'all ready to see the finished product? All right. Y'all ready to see the finished product? Way better. This is way better. Way better. Now, obviously, you can't see the lights and shit when you, like, from the outside, but the lights is really for the inside, you know? Lights is really for the inside, so, yeah. Way better. So, if y'all boys need some tints or anything like that, y'all check out the boys at Next Level.